So really quick, this is US30. So I'm gonna go over the position that I took this morning. As you can see, the market is on a 23.6 retracement originally. This is the setup that I'm riding out. So it hit TP and it made another higher low point, retesting previous level of structure, giving some nice confluence in that area. That went down to a 30-minute time frame, and you can see clear as day, nice bullish engulfing right here before the London session. So I took that entry, and then the market pretty much just did something like this, where pretty much just came back and retested my entry and gave another entry opportunity there, came back down again, and then boom, gave another entry confirmation as well. So you could have entered off of this candle, bullish pin bar, or that bullish variation candle that just got printed on a 30-minute. Even on a 15-minute, you could see very clean, very clear why entries were very valid in this area. Also retesting the 15-minute moving average. So much confluence built up within that area. So this is pretty much like a scale-in type position that I took. And I'm looking to the left and also up to the previous data. You can see we had a nice little confluence area all up in here. So as I went and just drug it all the way across, it just made sense for me to use this as my target, being that I don't trade US30 often, and also just being that it is US30. I wasn't open to holding this too long. But if you look at this on the 4-hour and the 1-hour structure, is just moving super clean, very flawless. So everything played out perfectly actually, and you can see it's a nice level of confluence. So everything kind of just made sense and added up. But that's pretty much it. This is the breakdown in the position that I took. So overall, a very clean movement, 1 to 3 risk reward opportunity. As far as the stop loss and the TP, I pretty much just adjusted my lot size accordingly. But I just wanted to give this thing room to breathe, because I know that it is pretty rapid when it comes to the fluctuations. But it played out nice, so I can't complain, and an easy win.